So a lot of cloud cover across the area, but not as much rain, and that trend will continue as we go through the night. Live look over at the new ballpark, downtown Knoxville. If you look carefully, streets are still damp, a little sheen on them from some of the rainfall we had earlier that moved through, which is moving into northern Sevier County near Kodak and over towards Douglas Lake near Dandridge, and one other little batch right near Pellissippi Parkway and I-40 out there on the west side of Knox County near Farragut, but that's all going to be tapering off pretty soon. There is not much left and don't expect much more the rest of the night. A little bit quieter towards daybreak tomorrow. Temperatures will dip down in the low 60s, and if we see some breaks in the clouds, we will see some patchy fog, and some of it could be locally dense, meaning below a mile visibility. That's kind of what we're showing here, a snapshot at about 7 o'clock early tomorrow morning, but this is not that unusual. These are the average number of days that we see fog per year across the U.S., and we are in that higher category. We see between about 30 to 40 or more than 40 days of dense fog. So not unusual to see fog, obviously, here in East Tennessee with our topography down in the lower elevations of the valley. So don't be surprised if you see some tomorrow morning. We'll start out in the low 60s, 63 in Knoxville, Maynardville, 59 in Jamestown, and 62 in Kingston. Highs tomorrow close to what we saw today, upper 70s, close to 80. It'll all depend on how much sunshine you see in your area. And I think it'll be much like what we saw today. Morning clouds and some fog. It'll thin out a little bit towards lunchtime. We'll call it a partly cloudy sky. And then by afternoon, we see these pop-up showers and a few storms around. This is 3 o'clock, right through the evening commute at 6. So like today, not everybody sees these. And like today, once we get close to midnight, most of this activity will start to dwindle down. But it ramps up quickly as we get closer to daybreak, so late Thursday night and especially Friday. We've got a cold front that's going to push through the area. So this is 7 o'clock in the morning. A few random showers around, but boy, the rain chances ramp up quickly through the morning and especially towards midday as this cold front comes through. There'll be some downpours of rain, and then on the backside of this, we're going to have some brisk winds that will kick up. Still a random shower possible through about sunset. This is 4 o'clock through the evening hours, but then things will start to quiet down. But we're going from upper 70s to near 80 like we saw today and tomorrow to temperatures only in the 60s and 70s for Friday. So it will be breezy and cooler. That will set the stage for a cool start Saturday morning at 55, but I mean, it's almost June, right? So it's not going to stay cool for long. We're back in the upper 70s for Saturday afternoon, mid 70s Sunday. Those rain chances Sunday look a little more likely, we'll say, south of I-40, so closer to the Chattanooga area. And by the time we get into next week, it's warmer. We're talking low to mid 80s Monday through Wednesday.
Ken, thank you.